curious to know the various glitches in Roblox. Users can make several changes and customizations to their character or avatar by modifying the compositions. Roblox is one of the most popular online game creation platforms out there where players can create video games and share them with the community. While there are numerous titles to choose from, the platform also allows users to make various customizations to their in-game character. A lot of players have been asking about the Roblox compositions glitches and how it works. Composition is the making of the picture. Here I will show the transparent composition of Roblox avatar. So, I have done my changes in the Roblox setting. To know that changes, either you must know the Roblox folder structure or just do the changes by following the tutorial. If you are interested for doing the same in your game profile, then I would like to give the tutorial on it. In the coming videos, I am planning to show the such kind of magic and configuration changes in the Roblox. Please comments on video if you are interested to see a transparent composition of Roblox. If you look, I am joining the game Island of Move again after doing the changes in the My Roblox game. And you will start seeing the transparent characters of all players as well as my Roblox avatar. Game player should note that this is not exactly a glitch, and it actually works by making changes to your game files. Our character will no longer have a fancy shirts and everything will be transparent. We should note that the character will only appear transparent to ourselves and not other users. Nonetheless, we can use these transparent avatar for recording gameplays and live streams. We can make the movies and video using the transparent character like the amazing Transparent Man in 1960, which was very famous. In that movie, Paul Krenner forces scientist Peter Elwoff to develop an invisibility formula based on radiation, to turn men invisible. He planned to create an invisible army and make money from it. Now this tutorial is end. If you find the tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the YouTube Panda Tech Tips channel. Keep liking and commenting on video. Thank you for watching.